Close your eyes for a moment and picture this. You turn the handle, step into the bathroom, the mirror is already fogging up, steam takes over the air. That comforting, freshly clean scent wraps around you. The door clicks shut, and within 3 minutes, an invisible haze forms, full of particles you can't see or feel, drifting straight toward your airways. A shower is meant to relax you, and it will, but what if a few simple choices are quietly turning that moment into a subtle minefield? Today we're uncovering the 7 quiet killers that might be in your bathroom right now. Number 1 has already led to multi-billion-dollar lawsuits linked to cancer, and millions of people use similar products every day without suspecting a thing. The goal isn't panic. It's power. Good information becomes practical action. Stick with me to the end because you'll leave with a simple, low-cost plan that makes a real difference in your home's health. Before we dive in, a quick favor that helps this message reach more people. If this resonates, tap like, share it with someone who needs the heads up, and subscribe for more. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from and what your favorite shower ritual is. Now, let's open this door for good. Danger number 7, mold, the enemy that loves silence and humidity. Scan your bathroom in your mind. The ceiling, corners, the grout lines around the shower, behind the curtain, near the drain. See tiny black dots, gray smudges, yellowish areas that keep coming back? That's not just dirt. It's a factory that runs 24/7 when it finds its favorite fuel, trapped moisture and stagnant air. Come on, it's just a little spot. Exactly. Mold starts tiny, spreads fast, and for sensitive people, it's not only about sneezing. Many report heavy head, slow thinking, fatigue that won't quit, scratchy throat, poor sleep, irritability. If you already have rhinitis, asthma, or sinusitis, one hot shower in a poorly ventilated bathroom can make everything flare. The tricky part? The culprit often hides above eye level, masked when steam rises. Practical and immediate fixes. Real ventilation. Install a capable exhaust fan and run it during your shower and for at least 30 minutes afterward. If you have a window, keep it open whenever possible. A door left slightly ajar helps more than you think. Tame the humidity. Hang towels fully open to dry and fresh air. Wring out bath mats and, if you can, give them some sun. A small portable dehumidifier can be a game changer in windowless bathrooms. Clean the right way. Never scrub dry mold. It spreads spores. Mist the area. Apply white vinegar. Let it sit, then use a soft brush. For grout, vinegar plus baking soda is a solid combo. Wear gloves and a mask while cleaning. Weekly prevention. Grout sealant, anti-mold sealing paint, and a quick vinegar pass once a week lower the odds of a comeback. 7-day anti-mold plan. Day 1, treat visible spots. Day 2, install or audit your exhaust vent routine. Day 3, pro-dry towels and mats. Day 4, seal the highest risk grout lines. Day 5, check shower door seals and corner trim. Day 6, lock in the habit. Fan on plus 30 minutes. Day 7, do a checklist and before and after photos. Great motivation. Danger number 6, plastic shower curtains, PVC or vinyl. Handy for the stall, but not so handy for your lungs. Clear, colorful, inexpensive, and a problem when the water runs hot. Heat and steam can release those new plastic smells most of us accept as normal. But in a closed space, the haze concentrates and you breathe it in. How to swap without breaking the bank? Top choice, tempered glass shower doors. An investment that lasts years. Next best is a washable fabric curtain. Cotton, linen, or technical fibers that are free of PVC or vinyl. If you can't swap yet, wash it weekly with warm water and white vinegar. Dry it in the sun to reduce odors. And favor curtains labeled low emission and free of phthalates. The smell test. Open the package and the odor is strong and persistent. That's your cue. If hot water brings that smell back, it's time to retire the curtain.
Danger number 5, shampoos and cosmetics with parabens. Your labels tell the story. Flip your bottles and look for the paraben family. Methyl, propyl, butyl, ethyl. Parabens are common preservatives, but concerns have grown about hormone disruption in sensitive individuals. How does that show up? Reactive scalp, oily but dehydrated skin, complexions that can't decide between dry and greasy, irregular cycles, dipped libido, mood swings, and that nagging feeling that that nothing works anymore. A smart, low-drama transition, the rule of 3, replace what touches you daily and in the largest amounts first. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and your go-to moisturizer. Clear ingredients. Simpler is often better. Look for gentle surfactants, paraben-free formulas, and light or no added fragrance. Adjustment window. Give a new shampoo 2 to 4 weeks. Your scalp needs time to recalibrate. Resist the urge to switch again in the first week. Sensitive skin, fragrance-free or hypoallergenic scents can make a big difference. Danger number 4, beard products and aftershaves. Your face absorbs more. Choose wisely. Balms, oils, aftershaves, beard shampoos. Facial skin has high absorption. If the label lists parabens, heavy synthetic fragrances, and harsh sulfates, that's a daily tab you're adding in. Common signs: post-shave redness, itching, frequent ingrowns, and a generally fussy complexion. Minimal routine, maximum results. To soften, a few drops of jojoba oil or argan oil before shaving. To cleanse, use a mild sulfate-free face wash. To calm, simple aftershave with aloe vera or soothing extracts without heavy perfume. Long beards, 1 drop of plant oil on the tips reduces roughness and adds a natural sheen. Golden tip: patch test new products on a small area first. Less is more on your face. Danger number 3, hairsprays. The cloud effect in a small room. Every press of the nozzle creates a fog of microdroplets. In a tight, steamy space, that cloud lingers and you end up breathing part of it. Even if you don't have allergies, regular use in enclosed bathrooms can mean scratchy throat, irritated nose, headaches, and stinging eyes. Keep your style. Skip the fog. Swap sprays for gel, pomade, or styling cream. Hold can be just as good or better. If spray is non-negotiable, apply it outside the bathroom, ideally near an open window. Avoid long blasts. Use short, targeted spritzes away from your face. Keep sprays well away from children's faces and airways. Danger number 2, spray sunscreen. Protection belongs on skin, not in the air. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. The issue isn't protecting, it's turning your bathroom into a sunscreen nebulizer. Sprays become a fine mist. Some hangs in the air, some slicks the floor, and some goes straight into your lung. Daily swaps that actually stick. Choose lotions or sticks instead. If you prefer mineral filters on the face, zinc oxide is a solid pick. And when possible, non-nano options for the extra cautious. Apply with door or window open, or better yet, apply outside the bathroom. Reapply outdoors with careful hand washing and attention around the eyes. Danger number 1, makeup and powders with talc. Pretty on the outside, problems in the air. Face powders, shadows, and body products made with talc have been at the center of high-profile cases, especially where contamination concerns appeared in certain lots. The bottom line, we don't want anything on our face that turns into inhalable dust, least of all, every day. How to look polished and stay at ease? Seek talc-free labels and brands that publish purity or heavy metal testing. Favor cream textures when you can, less airborne dust. Clean brushes regularly, reduces loose powder, and improves the finish. Avoid powder products entirely for children.
Quick myths versus facts. If it smells clean, it is clean. Not always. Strong scents in a closed room can mean a cloud of compounds hanging in the air. No visible mold? No problem. It can hide in door seal, drain, gaps, and under ceiling paint. Only pricey products are safe. Not true. Honest label, clear ingredients, and steady ventilation beat a fancy price tag. Replacing everything is too expensive. Gradual swaps work. Start with 1 item per week. 24-hour checklist. What you can do today. Air your shower. Decide your ventilation routine. Fan plus 30 minutes, window open, door ajar. Spot hunt. Locate and photograph any mold to track progress. Strategic swap. Retire one item. Hairspray, PVC curtain, paraben heavy shampoo, talc powder. Smarter drying. Towels fully open in sun or airflow. No damp pile. Vinegar routine. Treat the most stubborn grout lines and let it sit. 1 week plan. 7 steps, 1 per day. Day 1, targeted mold cleaning. Day 2, review ventilation and fan run time. Day 3, set up hooks and airflow for efficient drying. Day 4, evaluate the shower curtain and decide on a replacement. Day 5, label triage. Hair, body, and face product. Day 6, build a lean essentials kit. Few items, good ones. Day 7, review, celebrate progress, and plan the next swap. Quick buyer's guide. No overthinking. Shower enclosure, tempered glass or washable fabric curtain. Hair care, paraben-free lines with gentle surfactant. Avoid aerosols and enclosed spaces. Beard care, pure plant oil plus simple, soothing aftershave. Face, talc-free makeup, creams for everyday use. Sun, lotion, or stick. Apply away from the bathroom cloud. Treasure map summary. Ventilate, like your health depends on it, because it does. Dry everything thoroughly. That's your second superpower. Swap strategically, one item at a time. That's sustainable. Read labels. Today's habit that protects your future. Avoid indoor mists. Any spray in the bathroom. That's half the battle won. Do I need a remodel? No. Small changes stacked together build safer bathroom. Try this experiment. Pick one action now and stick to it for 7 days. Many people noticed within a few weeks fewer nose and eye irritations, calmer skin, less post-shower fatigue, and a general sense of well-being that felt out of reach. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these 7 dangers did you spot at home? What will you replace first? Share in the comments. Your experience might be the nudge someone else needs. If this opened your eyes, hit like, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more down-to-earth, practical tips for daily life. Quality information is power, and you deserve to feel safe in the place where you recharge. Up next, we'll cover dangerous mixtures you should never make in the bathroom or kitchen. Some common combos can release harmful gases in seconds. Keep an eye out and watch that one next.